Mother of Nature. Nature, personified as a woman, considered as the source of guiding force of creation. Mother of Nature is a noun, which means a personification of the force of nature as a controlling and regulating maternal being, sometimes creative and caring. Okay, now I will presentation a view about Mother of Nature as seen in this picture. I will associate this presentation with 5W plus 1H. First, what do you see from this picture? In this picture, you can see a woman who is crying. Then there is a gun that points at the woman. Then what's the meaning of it? A woman represents as a whole world, a whole nature who is crying because it was destroyed but indirectly by circumstance such as pollution, periodic building construction, industrial waste, and everything that can destroy the beauty of nature. The gun represent as a human activities that can damage the image of the earth. These activities include periodic building construction, lack of green land, pollution from all directions, and all activities that can damage the earth. Second, who did the destruction of the whole world? The destruction is done by the man himself. Why? Because humans unconsciously carry out activities that can damage the earth continuously. Third, why a gun represents as activities human? Because the gun connotation with this destruction and fear, especially when they did the periodic building construction, industrial waste, and causes a lot pollution. Fourth, where the damage is happen, actually all of part of the whole world is damaged, like a forest that has been deforested, polluted rivers, global warming, etc. Fifth, when can this situation can be improved? If humans realize that they were destructive, they should be able to repair everything they had done. They also have to make real efforts to restore the earth to the way it was before. When? Start now from yourself. 6. How to fix everything that's broken? Starting with planting trees, seedlings around empty land, not littering, not causing pollution, helping the earth to revive and be beautiful with the small efforts you can do. That's all. Let's help the earth get back up again. Thanks for your attention. See ya!